Today I'm going to show you how to use npm to install a node.js. So first of all, I'm going to show I have already installed npm. So you can see my npm version is 1.0, 1.1.10, and if I see my npm list, you can see no installations recognized, so I have to install node versions. So first of all, properties, font size, okay, and now I'm gonna show you how to use npm install. I have to use npm install, and you can install latest version node.js download, and here you can see the latest version, but I'm gonna use this one, 21.7.3. So install 21.7.3. Okay, downloading JS version 21.7.3. Okay, extracting node and npm. npm install 21.3. You can switch any one. If you want to use 23.8.0, then you can use it simply. Okay, now installation is done, and now if I see npm list, then you can see, but we can see node version b, nothing, node is not recognized. For this we have to do npm use 21.7.3. Okay, now you're using node version 21.3. Now if I check my node versions, then you can see my node version is available now, and npm version, then you can see my npm version is available. In the npm you can see the command prompt of this running use cases and defaults. The current version 6 can do a lot of things, and you can switch very easily from one version to another version. Now if I install the current version 23.8.0, okay, so what do you have to do? I have to install npm install 23.8.0. Panic runtime error index out of range within 3 length. 1 second, we have to see it. It's not mandate, but we can use 22 22.14.0 LTS version. Okay, npm install 22.14.0. Okay, this downloading. Next, taking node and npm complete. Okay, now if I check my npm list, then you can see currently using and this one. So you can easily navigate one node version to another node version by using npm. Now if we want to navigate to the latest LTS version 22.1.14.0, then simply have to use npm use 22.14.0, then it will definitely work for me. Okay, just yes, yes. Okay, now if we check my node version, then you can see my node version is right now 22.14.0. I hope you got an idea how to use it. So thanks for today.